Schluter KERDI-BOARD-SN is a prefabricated shower niche made of Schluter KERDI-BOARD that can be easily installed in shower or bathtub surround applications. Here's how to install one in conjunction with the Schluter KERDI waterproofing membrane over solid backing, such as gypsum board on wall framing. Determine the desired location. Trace around the outside of the niche flange, making sure the lines are level and plumb. Cut and remove the solid backing such that the niche will be supported on both sides by the studs or other pre-constructed wall framing. Insert the niche and fasten to the studs using the appropriate screws. Fasteners are placed along the seam approximately 1/4 inch from the edges of the niche. Fasten all corners and limit overall fastener spacing to 12 inches on center. The wall is made waterproof using the Schluter KERDI waterproofing membrane. KERDI is bonded to the solid backing and niche using unmodified thin-set mortar. The mortar is mixed to a fairly fluid consistency, but still able to hold a notch. A 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notch trowel, or the Schluter KERDI trowel, which features a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch design, is used to apply the mortar. Clean any dust or other debris from the surface of the solid backing. Dampen particularly dry and porous substrates in order to help prevent premature drying or skinning of the thin-set mortar. Apply a thin layer of mortar to the gypsum board and niche with the flat side of the trowel to produce solid contact with the surface. And then comb additional mortar using the notched side of the trowel. The mortar is applied up to the niche opening. Apply the KERDI over the wall. Embed the membrane into the mortar throughout its entire surface using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall finishing knife to ensure proper adhesion and to remove air pockets. The KERDI is cut along the shower niche opening. The shower niche flange is designed to provide a 2-inch overlap. Tile can be installed immediately after the waterproofing is completed.